Hello friends, welcome to the fun class number 06 of the video lecture series Circle. भाई टॉपिक खत्म होने आना है अभी. ओके, सो दिस वीडियो विल बी गोइंग टू बी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. इसमें भाई हम लोग बहुत ही आसान और वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स देखने वाले हैं. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ इंटरसेप्ट्स मेड बाय दिस सर्कल. देखो इधर, लेट मी चेंज द कलर. येलो इज माई फेवरेट वन. ओके, क्योंकि भाई इस पे अच्छा दिखता है वो. सी द लेंथ ऑफ इंटरसेप्ट मेड बाय द सर्कल मीन्स व्हाट. सपोज दिस इज द वाई एक्सिस एंड दिस इज द एक्स एक्सिस यू हैव. Yes, suppose this is the x axis you have somewhere here. Okay, so this is y axis and this is the x axis. Then what is the length of intercept made by the circle on the x axis means what. ये इतना पार्ट आएगा. In length of intercept means this is the length of intercept made by the circle on the x axis. Length of intercept made by the circle on y axis कितना है. So this is the intercept on y axis, intercept on x axis. So what is this length is equals to. So this length is always equals to 2 root of g square minus c. It is always equals to 2 root of g square minus c. So it is 2 root of okay. So it is 2 root of g square minus c. What about the y axis intercept is. Y axis intercept क्या रहेगा फिर बताओ. It is 2 root of f square minus c. That's it. It's very easy. And trust me, एक क्वेश्चन तो आता ही आता है इसके ऊपर. Definitely you get one question on this concept. It's very easy, very very simple. So let's see the question based on the same concept. What is the length of intercepts made by the circle on the coordinate axis. So what is the equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 7 equals to 0. So x intercept formula is what. It is 2 root of g square minus c. And what is y intercept is. It is the 2 root of f square minus c. So you require g and f values. So find out g. g इधर से आएगा. So g will be what. It is 4 and what will be f. f is equals to 1. Okay, so substitute here 2 root of g square. G is 4, so it is 16 minus 7. So it is 16 minus 7 which is equals to 9. So it is 2 into root 9 which is equals to 2 into 3 which is equals to 6. What about here. So it is 2 into root of f square is. It is 1 minus c is what. It is 7. Oh, गड़बड़ हो गया इधर. ये आ गया भाई imaginary. It is 1 minus 6 means what. It is the imaginary means what. It is not intersecting on the y axis. ये सर्कल का इंटरसेक्शन है ना सिर्फ x एक्सिस पे ही हो रहा है. दिस इज द केस वी हैव. ये इतना केस है. द सर्कल इज लाइक दिस. ओके, सो x intercept is what. It is a 6. y intercept does not exist. Okay, so I hope you are okay with this. Let's see the next one. Next concept is what. The condition of circle touching to coordinate axis. Suppose this is a circle and this circle is touching to coordinate axis x. If it is touching to x axis, then what is the condition is. It is nothing but g square should be equals to c. If in the equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, if this is the condition in this equation, then we directly say ये जो circle है ना x axis को touch कर रहा है. And what about the y axis. If this is the case, if it is y axis, then definitely you have f square is equals to c. Okay, then what if your circle is touching to both axes. Suppose this is the case, third case. Okay, then what do you think. It is g square should be equals to f square. This is the third case. It's very very simple and very very important also. Let's see the questions. Comment on the following lines. So what about this. X square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. Find out g. g कितना it is minus. It is 4. Okay, what is it is minus 4. Okay, and what is f is. f is equals to minus 1. So g square is आ रहा है 16. f square कितना आ रहा है. f square आ रहा है 1. So here f square is equals to what. It is c. Here f square is equals to c means what. This line is touching to y axis. Getting. Next question, what about this? Here g is what? Gri minus 2, Fri minus 3 by 2, okay, and c is what? It is 4. So g square, if I take, it is 4. G square is equals to 4. So this second second circle is touching to x-axis. Okay, in the third question, okay, let me erase here this. So this is touching to y-axis, this is touching to x-axis. What about this? See here, g and f both are same, means what? You have g square is equals to f square, means what? This line, or sorry, this circle is touching to both axes. Okay, very good. It's very, very simple. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you like these tricks and tips, hit the like button, share with your friends, juniors and seniors. कमेंट करके बताओ कैसा लगा आपको ये वीडियो. If you want any other tricks, please comment. Definitely you will be subscribing to this channel so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. So till then, bye bye.